Hello everyone and welcome back. How can we stop our iPhones from tracking us? Because we all know that they are. When you are using your iPhone, you're giving out your location data and so much more directly from your phone. And you don't even realize it's because of the settings that you have. So to change this, the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to head on over into settings. And once you head on over into settings, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're going to go into privacy and security. Once you do that, you will see two options, location sharing and tracking. And then below that, you can actually see all of the apps that have access. So I'm going to go into tracking over here, and you guys can see that this option is turned on. So these apps can actually track my activity across other websites and applications. And this is not going to just constantly remind me. Once you just turn this on, then it remains turned on. So I'm going to turn this off like so. And then I'm going to ask apps to stop tracking. And now the apps that were already tracking me, like Canva, are going to be requested to stop tracking. After that, you're going to go back because we're not done yet. We're going to go into location services. And you will see all the apps that have access to your location. Now, for some people, some location access is normal. Maybe you want to order something, but there are a lot of things that you're going to note that don't really need location access. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on ahead and you can select on those individual applications and then select never, or while using the app, or ask next time when I share, or always. This is up to your personal preference, but I'm just going to change this, and you can also change the precise location if you want to give them your precise location, or if you just want to give them your general location. And you can completely turn off location services as well. And if you go on to location alerts, you can see that you have show maps and location alerts as well. And after that, you will also see some basic settings that are going to protect you. And it's really important that you are setting up your face code and your actual emergency SOS. Because when you're setting up your privacy and security, you might be disabling a lot of app access. So it's really important that other safety mechanisms are still working and functioning in your phone. And that is how you can stay a bit private using your iPhone. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.